Alright, so hello again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create clean and intuitive page navigation with icons, such as this one that we see that when we hover, it gives us a different look. Now, it is a simple way to enhance our reports user experience and make it feel more like a real app. So that's what we're going to do in our tutorial today. So first, step that we need to do is we need to download these icons here. So the easiest way to download those icons is using PowerPoint. Now the home button that I used from that report is this icon here. So I found it here in I found it here in PowerPoint. So how to download it? You just go to insert, go to icons, and you can search from the list, or if you have something in your mind just like home, I just type in home, and all the icons that refer to a home will appear. So you just have to choose which ones you want to use. So you can choose this one, or you can choose this one, and there is a bunch of selections that you can pick. So let's say I choose this one here. You just have to go insert, and there is the icon that we just picked. All right. From that icon there, maybe I'll put it in this page here. This is the icon that we just picked. You can select. You can copy this icon. Control C, Control V, and you can color it based on your Power BI themes. For me, these are the colors of my logo, and that is why I'm going to use this color. Let's say I'll copy this hex code, Control C, select graphics format, outline, then more, outline colors, custom, and we can paste the hex code from this area here. Control V, click OK. Now our icon now has a different color blue. This is the original color, which is black. This is blue. And then you can keep on creating icons with different colors. Now, once you're finished creating icons with different colors, we have to save it one at a time. So just select that icon, right click, save as picture, and just choose SVG. Okay. Rename, give it a name, then save it as SVG, and make sure you. Okay. I'll just cancel this one. All right. So we'll just use this sample here. So we go to insert, buttons, blank. So we're just going to repeat what we have created similar to this. Just not exactly this, but similar to that one. So once we've inserted a blank button, right? We inserted this one. Let's go straight to the format button. Make sure the title is off, the action is off for the meantime. Let's go to the button style. Now let's select first the default rectangle. That's correct. Um, let's turn on the text. Now we can type in the text that we would like to appear inside our button. Okay. So that would be the home text. That's correct. Let's have it left aligned and right here bottom aligned. Okay, so now let's proceed with like the icon. Now you can have we have several selections here that you can choose, but for this one we'll choose the custom because we want to have the icon that we created. Browse where you save your icon. For me, this is the one, the home icon in blue color. I'll select this one, click open. Okay, so now they are on top of each other, the text and the icon. So we just have to move the text a little bit to the right. Now, how can we do that? Here. We can use it here in the padding. So I'll type in 30. Now, if I type in 30, I can still see that the moment the icon is still very close to each other. So we'll just, it's a trial and error. So I'll try 40. I think 40 should be fine. We have enough space between the icon and the text. Okay, so we are actually doing the settings for the default state, right? The default state. Now we have several state here that we need to edit. Now, what do you want to see if you hover through that button? So again, that's going to be a different formatting. So if we hover through our buttons, what we want happen? Just to have a different effect, we would like it to be bold. The text, this is the text. Also underline. You can increase the size a little bit. And so let's try. So you see, if I hover through that, it's bold, underline, and the size also increase. You can also change the color. So if I hover, you see the effects are getting now again on press. If you want to have a different formatting when you press it, you can do so. But for me, I'm happy to have it on the default and on hover. So let's try it. So that's the default. If I hover through that, it gets a different look. Okay, that's the default, and that's the hover. All right. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.